Right, just a very quick review video of Kevin Fahey's new product. Now, this is a PLR product for the work from home niche. Now, obviously, work from home niche has actually gone up. The traffic for it has just skyrocketed with all this coronavirus, etc., going on. People out of work, so people are looking to work from home. So this is the timing of this product is pretty damn good, and there's plenty of cheap traffic to drive to your pages. Now, this is the sales page. Cash in on the currently booming, which I've just said, work from home niche by helping your audience unlock the secrets and discover bulletproof methods to making money online. Alright, so what do you get? This is the members area, and this is your work from home, access to your work from home PLR. Now, these two products here, Affiliate Marketing Mastery and Social Growth Hacking Mastery, those are both upsells, okay? And you also get access to the training sections as well, how to set up your funnels, how to profit with PLR webinar training series there, and a traffic generation training there. So each one has its own set of videos, etc. Let me show you this one. Okay, so you got how to set up your squeeze pages, how to rebrand your report, how to set up your list of follow-up emails, okay, and how to get paid. Right, let me show you. This is the sales page that you get. This is your PLR sales page. So you could obviously edit this all you want. You just upload it to your website. You've got all the graphics done, all the copies done. Obviously, you'll have to add your PayPal payment buttons or however you want to get paid. All right, very easy to set up. All the instructions on how to do it are in the training. You've got bonuses, etc. All the graphics and modules set out, laid out, so your customer knows exactly what they're getting. Very high quality, and obviously you get your report, which you can edit all you want. Put your affiliate links in there to other things you're promoting, whether it be CPA products or other ClickBank products even. Let me just go back to the... Okay, so when you've purchased, you click on your work from home jobs section. All right. Module 3 will be uploaded when this launches. I'm doing this review a bit early. Right, so you get your rebrandable sales page, okay, which I've just shown you. You get your ebook, you get a checklist, cheat sheet, and your mind map, and you get access to resources. Then you've got your thank you page, okay. You've got your opt-in page and download page. So obviously you want to capture people's email addresses. I capture people's email addresses all day long using Bing. The traffic is huge. It's pretty cheap. You can get cheap leads as well. And as I said, work from home niche is absolutely gone through the roof. Which brings me on to your bonus. If you buy through my link, I will give you 1,500 work from home keywords. Now these are a lot of these keywords you won't even know. You won't think, I can't believe people are actually searching for that. These are all keywords that I've used in my campaigns and still are using. So there's over 1,500 keywords. When you buy this product, just log into your Warrior Plus account under your purchase, and there'll be a download link there. Okay. You've got some professional graphics to use, some even articles, and follow-up sequences. All right, promotional emails. It's a fantastic product. There's some more bonuses there. It's a fantastic product. As I said, there's so much traffic for work from home. You've got everything done for you. You've got your squeeze page done for you. You've got your thank you page done for you. You've got your sales letter done for you. I mean, even if you don't want to sell the sales report, you can just use the land and the thank you and promote something else. You know, you could just give away the free report to get people onto your list and then start mailing them with other products, etc. All right, so grab it while it's cheap, while it's still going. It's probably on a down sale as we speak. Log into your Warrior Plus and get your bonus from me, or over 1,500 keywords of work from home keywords. All right, any issues, etc., just contact me. All right, enjoy your marketing. 'Cause you're a believer.